How to find and recover deleted photos in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photos app and then scroll down, and here you can see the option recently deleted. Now click on it. Now click on view album to enter your passcode or face ID. Now here you can see your deleted photos, and if you want to recover it, then simply select your photos you want to recover and then click on these three dots. Now click on recover. Now go back, and here you can see your photos will recover. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.